Hello everyone, welcome back. So, by popular demand, I'm showing the little drill lathe that I put together. I threw it back together. I'll do a quick demo for you. I just want to preface this by saying if you decide to build something like this, please be careful. It's inherently dangerous to work with something that's not necessarily made to do that job. So I have done this over the years. So I kind of have a little bit of experience or practice with it. But just a couple tips. Make sure everything is solid. Okay, I have this clamped down. Okay, I have a clamp here. So this is screwed into the bottom here. So this is very, very sturdy. I have some tie wraps here on this end, and a tie wrap holding the trigger for the drill to give me the right speed. Again, you're better off with a real lathe, and if you want to see some great turning, you got to go check out all of my brothers. You know them all. You got Chuck, you got John, Cruz Outdoors, Louisiana Outdoors, Nathan, Jack. There's so many guys that they have a real lathe, and they'll really show you how to do it. But again, this is how I did it. So I showed you this piece is I guess the tail stock, maybe we'll call it. All right, and then here's a piece I was just working on, playing around with, and I'll put this back in and I'll do a little bit more work on it. And like I said, I have that little bolt on the end there, and then a little center hole here that's going to go into this tailstock. So let me reset this camera up and get this in there. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. So I'm using this, which is basically a gouge. All right, so I'll use this first, and let me get her going. So there you go. Take it out. I'll show you that part I just did. So yeah, you can make some decent looking handles. I mean, it's totally up to your imagination. Comes out pretty good. Be nice with a nice, like a little bit harder wood. This is pine, but it cleans up pretty nice because this is exactly the same wood I used to make that handle. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing that. Fun little thing. Glad that you all wanted to see it. And like always, everyone, I appreciate your views and I appreciate your comments. And I hope you all are staying safe and having a great, great day. And we'll see you on the next one.